Alright, so we are again. CX9 JB4 fully installed. How did I do that? Well, it's a JB4 with the Bluetooth connection, so a cable has to go through the firewall, through the grommet, and connect to the OBD2 jack, and it's very simple. It goes through there, hooks up over here, and then you see it right over there. Nice. And how did I do that? I just run it through here. You need the wipers nicely tucked away. It comes over here, even from the elements, and then connected to the map freezer and down at the intercooler. That's it. Just the connection. One here, one down there. I showed it in the previous video. I have turn on folder intake or switch can. It's a simple, clean upgrade. Yeah, the car feels faster. You have to drive the 93 premium all the time, or switch to map 0, which is basically standard. The car runs stronger. Fuel economy is pretty much the same, depends how you drive. Let's hear that thing. Hopefully the camera will give us a nice whoosh sound. Yep, that's enough. That's pretty sweet. Alright. Let me know if you have any questions, guys.